To fix the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 errorcode 0x9. A solution involves moving the game to a different drive or partition. It's essential to note that this fix may not work for everyone, and caution is advised as many online solutions are ineffective. This method requires a second internal drive or a partition on an existing drive, as it will not work with external drives. By transferring the game to another drive, the error can be resolved, as it has been for many individuals who have tried this approach. The process begins by opening the Xbox app, finding the game icon, right-clicking on it, and selecting Manage from the menu. Next, click on the File option and then choose Change Drive under the Options section. Select a different folder or drive to move the game, and after the transfer, launch the game. The splash screen may take around 2 minutes to load before the game starts, and hopefully, this will resolve the issue. By following these steps, it's possible to fix the error and get back to playing the game. This solution has been effective for several people, including those who used an old SSD, which took around 10 minutes to complete the process.